Look up. Those white lines in the sky, are they just water vapor or something more? For decades, they've sparked debate, division, and even fear. Some say they're simply harmless contrails, condensation trails. Others believe they're proof of a secret agenda, geoengineering, mind control, population manipulation. So, what's really going on up there? This is Chemtrails or Contrails, the truth behind the sky trails. And today we're going deeper than ever before. Let's begin with the basics. Contrails, or condensation trails, form when hot exhaust from jet engines meets the cold, low-pressure air at high altitudes, typically above 26,000 feet. The vapor instantly freezes, forming linear clouds made mostly of ice crystals. This phenomenon isn't new. Pilots reported contrails as early as the 1920s. During World War II, bomber aircraft left dense, lingering trails while flying at high altitudes. The persistence of a contrail depends on atmospheric humidity. In dry air, they vanish quickly. In humid conditions, they can spread and linger for hours, even forming cirrus clouds. So why do some trails vanish in seconds while others stretch across the sky? It all comes down to the weather conditions above the clouds, not what's coming out of the plane. In the mid-1990s, a new theory took root, mostly online. People began claiming that some contrails were different, thicker, more persistent, spreading unnaturally. They called them chemtrails, short for chemical trails. The theory suggests that planes are deliberately spraying chemicals into the atmosphere for undisclosed purposes. Some claim it's a form of climate engineering, a way to reflect sunlight and cool the planet. Others suggest more sinister motives, altering human health, reducing fertility rates, or even manipulating the human mind. We have a right to know what's being sprayed above our heads. The theory gained mainstream attention in the early 2000s, fueled by viral videos, unverified whistleblower claims, and unexplained illnesses in local communities. In 2016, a group of atmospheric scientists published a study in Environmental Research Letters addressing the chemtrail theory head-on. They surveyed 77 scientists working in atmospheric chemistry and geochemistry. 76 out of 77 reported seeing no evidence of secret chemical spraying. What about those mysterious substances found in rainwater or soil samples? Experts say many of these tests were contaminated by poor sampling methods, or showed normal levels of elements like aluminum, barium, and strontium, which occur naturally in the environment. Jet fuel does release particulates, but there's just no evidence of toxic chemicals being deliberately added. If the science is clear, why do millions still believe in chemtrails? When people experience anxiety or loss of control, they seek patterns, enemies, and explanations. Conspiracy theories offer certainty in uncertain times. The chemtrail theory reflects a deeper issue: mistrust in government, media, and science. And let's be honest, governments have lied in the past. So when people ask, what if? It's not always coming from ignorance, but from history. Here's where things get complicated. Geoengineering does exist, at least in theory. Scientists have explored releasing reflective particles into the stratosphere to counteract global warming. It's called solar radiation management. Some projects have even received funding, but none have been implemented at scale. Still, the fact that such plans exist blurs the line between fiction and reality. We must tread carefully. Geoengineering could become a necessary evil, or open the door to dangerous manipulation. Are chemtrails real? According to the best science available, no, but the skies above us remain full of questions and emotions. What's clear is this: we need transparency, accountability, and a healthy dose of skepticism. Whether we're talking about governments or internet forums, ask questions, seek truth, and keep your eyes wide open.